recording.
Alright, for sure. Here we go. His second birdie. Oh! Let me see. He's like, let me see.
No, get from this angle.
He got his throat. Where are you going? He's trying to swallow the whole body. Dang. He just walked up there and rough. His mouth is full of fucking chips.
My bird's face.
Bill Schaefer, one of the inventors of Flammo's famous Flash Wash kit, he came up with the idea while watching his children play.
Wait.
Too late.
Got it. There's still more birds.
No, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone.
There's more wood chips in his mouth.
Hasta luego.
Oh, he can digest them. That bird is wings. He can't get the wings.
You can pretty much judge him what you're touching him.
However, most inventions are not successful when those experience is not typical of what inventors can expect. For your free innovation, call 1-800-619-2573.
Hurry up and devour.
2573.
That's me.
I demand that it be removed. Thank you. And you could probably get it for free now. 1. Bring back the bandage. I want it for free.
I gotta record the lizard, but I can't stop watching. I record both. I can do this. Still watching me eat the parrot.
Pass it this way. Just toss it. Watch this. Look at something cool.
Tonight's episode, Alan, Part 1.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna need you to give me a visual on your building. Copy that? Roll on.
Oh, just missed 420. Woo. Is he getting that wing in there yet? No. Nope.
Woo! In the bird. Because the bird is no longer the word. The lizard is the word. The lurd. Made a new word. Because the lurd is the new word. Don't you know about the lurd? Everybody knows the lurd is the new word. Yeah. I crushed his tail on accident. My bad, Jacka. Come back over here. I just need to get better lighting. You dangle you and dangle a camera by a cord so you don't get ripped in the face by a lizard. Good. What the heck happened? Should I stop? I mean, you only got like 2 minutes left.
Just record it all until it's done.
No fails, okay? Look, this new show is not any good at all, man. I think we should just go back home and do what we used to do. Now, I'll tell you what we're going to do.
What's the...
It's got that weird Chico and State thing.
Diaper sleep? What the hell you want this for? We can't afford this, man. We're not going to buy it, you idiot. We're going to use it for 9 years. By that time, there's going to be enough crime and supervillains going around for all detectives. Not just the qualified ones. Don't you worry just a little bit about doing this. Oh! Just hop in before the guy sees us. Come on, ready your room. Whoa, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah, pretty much. He's
That is a 9-year nightmare. Fast. You rat.
Yeah, he's gonna eat that.
You finally got it?
Got some of it. Now he's gotta get his legs. He's pretty much gonna have to break them.
We're golfing.
Oh, yeah. Damn. What's up? No longer hungry. Oh, you satisfied?
I'm asleep. Go to 9 years. Right, I can't sleep. When is it supposed to